Guys, it's your girl Talia here, and I'm going to be showing you how to install your wig today. Sorry it's so slow and it's not usually how I have it, but deal with me, okay? So first we're going to start by clipping all the hair back, and it's good that it's in kind of slow motion so you guys can really see what's going on. And we're going to use some bold hold glue to lay down our lace wig, of course. And you want to start by just layering it, and you can dot it. You could use a popsicle stick, but you just want to get that all around the ends. And I usually do 3 layers. The first layer is for the glue cap, just to really get that to be sealed down. So I take, like I said, a popsicle stick, the end of a comb, and you're just going to really melt that glue down. Melt that glue right down. And like I said, I do it 3 times, and I blow dry it with warm or cool setting. And we're going to wait till that is completely clear. And now I'm going in with my second coat, as you can see. And we're just going to smear that glue right out. And now we're going to take the lace down and just put it right where we put that glue at. And I like to blow dry it so it's really drying, because sometimes I don't let the glue dry all the way down. So I'm taking a comb, just pushing it forward. That way when I cut the lace, it's easy for me to get as close to the lace as possible. And as you can see, that hoe is melting, baby. It's melting into the skin. So I'm just going to go with my comb and just really get in there. Now I like to cut as close to the lace as I can. And I cut in the middle of my forehead and on the sides. And I'm going to take some Got2b glue spray. And I'm just going to spray the edges, like where, the baby hair is or whatever the case may be. I'm going to spray that. The Got2b glue spray helps you actually melt it down even more. And it looks really realistic. Like, look how it's just melting into my skin. And now we have a nice melted lace. So we're going to begin by cutting the lace off. Just snip that hoe. So I'm going to take my tweezers and just pluck my part how I like it. And I'm going to take some Nairobi mousse and just do my edges. And this also helps with like laying the wig more, like melting it more, especially when you want to cover those trick spots. Baby hair's on fleek, honey. I'm just going to take some more Got2b spray and spray so it can be flat at the top. And voila, ladies.